Hello, kids! Welcome to our learning video. Today, we will learn opposite words in English. Big, small. Big means very large. Small means very little. Big and small are opposite words. Hot, cold. Hot means very warm. Cold means very cool. Hot and cold are opposite words. Fast, slow. Fast means very quick. Slow means not fast. Fast and slow are opposite words. Up, down. Up means going high. Down means going low. Up and down are opposite words. In, out. In means inside. Out means outside. In and out are opposite words. Open, close. Open means not shut. Close means shut. Open and close are opposite words. Day, night. Day is bright. Night is dark. Day and night are opposite words. Tall, short. Tall means very high. Short means not tall. Tall and short are opposite words. Clean, dirty. Clean means neat. Dirty means not clean. Clean and dirty are opposite words. Full, empty. Full means filled. Empty means nothing inside. Full and empty are opposite words. Near, far. Near means close. Far means very far away. Near and far are opposite words. Thank you for learning with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next learning video. Bye-bye!